Today for the Bitcoin price, something crazy is about to happen to the Bitcoin price right now. A very, very rare signal just flashed here once again today. You can see it over here on Twitter. I just posted it a few minutes ago. The people are already going crazy about it. Every single cycle we are going into the green stage here 2 times. And just right now we entered the green stage here once again, confirming the start of the parabolic rise towards a new all-time high. But the question is, what is going to happen to Bitcoin here in the immediate short term? Yesterday I covered potential warning signals for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price actually went down here and we got a very, very strong bounce for Bitcoin. The question is, what does this mean for Bitcoin in the immediate short term? Well, we are back in the triangle. Are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? This is exactly what I want to be covering today. I will be showing you my trade on Bybit, my trade on Phemex. Did I get stopped out or not? I will be showing you everything and my game plan for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So make sure you sit down, you scroll down. And you know what, guys, if we are hitting thousands of likes within a few hours only, I can promise you we will make a DaVinci J15 episode by today. So smash up the like button right now, press subscribe, press the bell, and also press the bell. And with that being said, welcome to the fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. All right, guys, and as always, we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this here. Yesterday, before the breakdown, I actually covered here a potential breakdown because the Dow Jones might be pulling down the Bitcoin price. Well, this is exactly what happened. And look at this green candle here is actually a good and positive candle. And as you remember, yesterday I put a stop loss approximately here. And as you can see perfectly, Bitcoin didn't trigger it and we went up once again. My stop loss didn't get triggered. You can see it over here on Phemex. This is my trade, still $77,000 in a profit, and there's the stop loss. And I knew exactly why I'm putting this stop loss, because I knew if I put it here below, I might get just wigged out and the stop loss gets triggered and I'm out of the trade without any reason. So I wanted to make sure that my stop loss is exactly where the invalidation point is from my own TA perspective. This is something I really want you to take away from that. It is very important to set the stop losses strategically correct. Sometimes I'm even going without. It's not recommended for everyone, but if you put a stop loss, don't put it immediately at the support or so, because sometimes Bitcoin just wicks down, especially on the spot, on the leverage exchanges. So this is very important. But now the question is, of course, what is going to happen for Bitcoin here in the immediate short term? Well, first of all, after this breakdown, this is a good candle because we got a 4-hourly close above it. I was mentioning that this head and shoulders pattern, this bearish head and shoulders pattern, is actually going to unfold bearishly once we are closing here, once we are closing below the neckline. And as you can see, we didn't close below the neckline and then we got more upwards momentum. So far, actually, Bitcoin didn't behave surprisingly here. Everything exactly as expected here at the MMCrypto community. So we are back into this ascending triangle and Bitcoin still didn't confirm a breakout yet. We got some volume here, but no confirmation. So we are back here. And again, from an historical and also probability point of view, an ascending triangle with a bullish trend leading into it is more likely to break towards the upside. There's one thing which is a little bit annoying for me, and here going over to the Dow Jones, I was talking about this M pattern and the Dow Jones looks extremely bearish to me. Anyway, we got this breakdown, and as you can see, in the moment Bitcoin broke down, the Dow Jones broke down. In the moment the Dow Jones bounced to the upside, Bitcoin bounced to the upside. So it is of course sad if we are a little bit dependent here on the equity markets, and there is no way around it. We just have to admit that it is the case. And yeah, we have to monitor the price action also on the equity markets just to see what is likely here to happen for Bitcoin. But so far so good. We are back here we are back at the VPVR point of control, and we are back here into this triangle, leading us to our old price target still being possible to be fulfilled here. So in case Bitcoin would be breaking out once again, it would bring us all the way up to the $13,700 price target in perfect alignment with the high of 2019. And the breakdown less likely to happen, especially after this very, very strong bounce here. But this would bring us approximately to the previous resistance, which is now hopefully turning into support, 12,500, the previous high from July, August 2020. So far, so good, guys. We can remain here slightly bullishly tilted towards the upside. I am in my trade on Bybit. You can see it right here. It is $71,000 in a profit. My trade on Phemex over there, $76,000 in a profit with the stop loss. I want to make sure that I'm going home with money here if the price creates a new low. And then I have another trade on Femex as well, approximately $80,000 in profit. The one I entered at $9,400. Well, I want to talk about this chart here. Wait here for it. I just posted it literally before I pressed recording 5 minutes ago. The people already going crazy about it. And the bullish implications of that, it really made my day. I woke up, I went to Glassnode, I checked the chart, it really made my day. So wait here for this. First of all, I wanted to tell everyone who is interested in trading, well, only trade here if you are experienced, because you can see these small things, for example, where I put the stop loss here instead of there, they can make a huge difference. So just in case Bitcoin rockets to the upside, I'm still in my trade. If I would have put my stop loss right here, I would be stopped out and I would be out of the trade. I cannot gain here from this upwards momentum in case it is coming. So you have to be experienced, you have to be at least a knowledgeable trader here. But if you are, I have the biggest bonus down below in the pinned comment. If I'm going here to the pinned comment, it is the first comment below the video. Just scroll down and you can find here $390 for free on Bybit. If you click this link, you use our code and then you deposit Bitcoin. I think all in all, it's like 35 seconds of work or so. You get $390 for free. You can use the free margin for your own trading, and you can withdraw the profits from this free margin trade as well as I am also trading on free margin here every now and then on Bybit and on Femex. So use the link down below in the pinned comment. But now, guys, this is really what I want to be talking about, because I posted this here just literally a few minutes ago, and I was saying bullish. Bitcoin just entered the important green belief stage once again. And what you can see here, it looks a little bit hectic, but please listen to my words, because what happened today is certainly something historical. So we have in every single cycle one dip into the green zone, then we are getting shaken out, then we have a second entering into the green zone, but the second one is the most important one. So first one, we have a bullish rise, shakeout period, consolidation period, and then the parabolic rise towards the upside. So the same thing here in the last cycle, when we were actually in 2016 having this massive spike here, this massive halving spike. We went into the green zone. Well, we got shaken out. Many people lost money here. It looks so tiny, but so many people lost money. Well, then the second time we went in, this was the beginning of the parabolic bull market. And now remember, guys, in the third cycle here, in the last cycle in 2019, when we actually had this rise from $3,100 to $14,000, well, this was the moment we were going into the green zone again. But this was only the first time. So from an historical perspective, we needed a shakeout period, a consolidation period, a period where the vast majority, the vast amount of money is taken from the vast amount of people once again. And you can see this is exactly what happened here. We went into this bearish phase. But if we are zooming in here, and for this I want to go to Glassnode, by the way, free sign up link down below. You can see here, this is the Glassnode chart. So right now here in June, July, we had the first dip into the green zone, into this belief stage. But go here, this is the most important thing. Right now, we went into the green zone here for a second time. And this is the net unrealized profit and loss ratio. So whenever more than 50% of the Bitcoin circulating supply on the blockchain is trading right now in a profit, so it is measuring whenever Bitcoin was moved the last time and when it is and where it is right now. So when it was moved last time at a higher price, well, then this Bitcoin on the blockchain is in a loss. Whenever it was moved the last time on the blockchain on a lower price, then right now this goes into a profitable Bitcoin hold on the blockchain. And you can see right now more than half here are being held in a profit. And you can see this is amazingly well here illustrated with this green zone. So right now we are entering, look at this. Here, we are entering the green zone once again for the second time. And from an historical perspective, the second time we are entering the green zone, this is usually the beginning of a parabolic phase. You can see it here. Here we entered it at $15. We went all the way up within 12 months to $1,300. The second time we entered it at $800 in 2016. Well, we went all the way up here to $20,000 here once we entered the green stage. And right now we are entering it once again at $13,000. And I truly believe This is the beginning of us going up to potentially 100, 200, 300,000 US dollars. I am not joking around, depending on how much currency actually the Federal Reserve and the central banks are printing. Well, guys, if you agree to that, if you are pumped about that, make sure you sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button, and you leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And remember, guys, if we are hitting thousands of likes here within a short amount of time, I will be calling DaVinci J15 and we will be doing an emergency video for you once again, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. Thank you so much for coming back to the MMCrypto channel, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.